Hello kids, welcome to my channel. This is a Halloween broom and it can fly. Come on kids, let's start. Let's draw and follow me. So much fun! Now, let's color! Good job! It's beautiful! Hi! Your drawing is very good. What will we draw next? See you again!